guys, today I am going to give you some studying techniques that will help you be successful in this learning process. Why is this important? When we are home, we feel comfortable, so learning from home is a new experience. Nevertheless, it is important to have a plan and be able to succeed in our remote learning process. What we need to do, I am going to give you some guidelines that will help you organize your time and study for every class without keeping you away to do fun activities or spend time with your family. First, you need an area where you're comfortable and without distractions. Stay organized. Make a weekly calendar with classes and dedicated time to studying. Set reminders for upcoming deadlines. You can do this on your phone or sticky notes, whatever helps you remember. Build in small breaks. Research suggests that 50 minutes on 10 minutes off can make studying more effective. Relax, take your time. Stay engaged. Communicate. Check your email 2 to 3 times each day and the Microsoft Teams chat. Learn your virtual class times and log into the platform daily. Participate in class. Set a goal to ask questions or contribute to conversations each lecture. This is a must for every student. Be an active student. Participate. Manage your environment. Schedule your day to dedicate to studying or participating in online classes. Check with your teacher if there are virtual classes you should be calling into. Minimize distractions. TV off, phones away, family members in other areas. Find a space that is comfortable but still allows you to focus. You don't want to be so comfortable that you fall asleep. Let's take a look at the sample schedule in our next slide. We have a schedule for Monday through Friday. We already know that we are going to be connected from 7:30 to 12:30. This is the time for you to do your online classes, your online meetings, or communication with your teacher. From 12:30 to 3 is your time to study or to do homework. You can do this. It's easy. 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. you can do any activities that you wish and you can spend time with your family. After 9 p.m. you can go to sleep, get a good night rest, and begin the next day. Ask for help. This is very important, asking for help. Call, email, or set up a virtual meeting with your professor to talk about challenges you're having or material you don't understand. If you're having problems logging in or accessing something, email the ITS at helpdesk@be.pr.gov. Most importantly, take care of yourself. FaceTime or call family member, friends, and classmates for fun and relaxation. Maintain a good sleep schedule. Eat well and exercise. Wash your hands regularly. See this as a learning moment. This is an opportunity to learn adaptability, flexibility, and technological. Remember, you're not alone. Mrs. Perez is here for you. You have the control and the power to be successful. If you want to know a little bit more about how to plan your day, you can go to these references at www.manchester.edu or www.brainscape.com. Bye guys, see you next time.